It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. So obviously the price has made a pretty nice move over the past couple of days, especially, not even counting the gap up. So, but even after the gap up, pulled back and then made, the nice move here and then has started to roll back over. So as far as what do I think about the chart? Well, it truly does depend. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 17 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And from, again, the long-term perspective and building overall uptrends, it's all about putting in those higher bases. And again, like I said, the bulls still have an opportunity to do that. So let's talk about a couple areas of support. Ideally, going forward, the level that you'd want to see the price stay above is 90 cents. So if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Definitely the price staying up above 90 cents. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined, but that would certainly make it look the most attractive. Next level of support, and really the key one from the big picture of things and the very kind of easy way to track the chart is this purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, I like to call moving averages kind of like tread lines for lazy people. This quote-unquote tread line, it's going to continue to draw itself for you. And when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above, that line that's going to be increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase. That's why I love charts. It kind of almost insults your intelligence at times. So if you care about, again, the long term of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, that implies that the price is putting in higher lows, and that's what truly bullish moves do, right? They're going to put in higher lows. Now, what about levels of resistance? If the price is going to get back up to where it was, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Now, there's kind of two key levels that stand out. The first one is a fun one, and I like to call, the fun one because, yeah, it's always fun to talk about going up to previous highs and, trying to break to new highs. And that's where $1.50 comes into play. You can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. But in many cases, there's other bridges that first need to be crossed, and that's the case here. So before you talk about $1.50, which, yes, is a level of resistance, the first key level that, the price is going to need to get back above is $1.25. So before you start talking about $1.50, $1.25 is going to be that first key battleground. All in all, though, interesting past couple of days. It'll be interesting to see how this all unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.